Okay, let's talk more numbers. Let's um, look at more corporate development and corporate news. You have Ramesh Gehane, who's ED and CEO of Endurance Technologies, joining us. The rural rebound cheer is working in for two-wheelers, and Endurance, I think, is a key beneficiary of that. Ramesh, good to have you on the show. In FY18, India achieved the milestone of becoming the first market to have reported sales of more than 20 million two-wheelers in a year. That's more than 2 crore two-wheelers in a year being sold. What incremental demand did you see in order flow on the back of this spurt?
If you look into the auto space as such, the two-wheeler industry has especially done very well. Now, the trend is that even the exports are moving up, motorcycle is doing well, scooters are doing well, and passenger cars in its own way are doing approximately 6%. Now, this momentum, if you track down a first track on April, it's even improved. What was 15.54% as a growth last year has moved into 18.13 this year. At the beginning of this year, that's April. So the momentum is growing on, and there seems to be a good, move ahead. The important part is the motorcycle market has moved better than the scooter, which was not that way in the previous year. Previous year, we used to see that scooter would be ranging around 19% and motorcycle did 15%. This year, it's absolutely reversing. Now, in this case, the penetration level that we have on our motorcycle division is far more higher because we've got a service level which has been almost 30 years into the industry of this thing, and our product verticals are well serviced into the motorcycle market. If I give you a distribution, we are approximately 68% present in the motorcycle market with all four segments of ours. And that's what gives us a better edge to perform even better this year.
Okay, hi, Mr. Gehani. In fact, that was going to be our next question, because we understand that motorcycles is seeing a lot of traction compared to, compared towards scooters. So within motorcycles, which are the segments where you are seeing maximum demand and most traction for?
See, in motorcycle market, we are present in all our four product divisions, for our product verticals. But if I look into especially suspension, we've got a lot of orders which we procured in the previous years are now maturing out, and we are finding that those numbers are coming into play. In addition to that, we've got brakes division, which is seeing a new momentum as we've received orders for high-end brakes from our customers, and the customers where our penetration level was not there in rear brake systems and front brake systems is now consolidating into a much better position. So brakes is one part which is moving ahead very fast, and suspension indeed. If I look into the casting divisions, we have been especially concentrating on the four-wheeler four-wheeler vehicle segment, where we've received orders from four-wheeler segments to the extent of somewhere around 100 crores for the coming years. These volumes will come into play in approximately 1.5 to 2 years from now. That's the start of production by the OEMs.
Okay. And how much order growth did you see for scooters vis-a-vis motorcycles in FY18? Do you foresee any changes to your revenue mix going ahead, given the focus on diversifying into segments like passenger vehicles and scooters? What are you targeting?
Yeah, scooters also. See, we've got a special focus on scooters because scooters have got a large base now. It comprises of somewhere around 70-30 into the ratio. If I look into motorcycle present in the market is around 70% and 30% is scooters. So it's very obvious that our concentration on two-wheeler scooters would be far more so that we can increase our SOP or content per vehicle on that. So on scooters, we've received some good orders on suspension, especially suspension. And we definitely look forward to consolidate this position in years to come.
Okay, thanks a lot, Mr. Gehani. We would love to chat more, but we're a bit short on time today. But thank you, essentially, confirming that trend that I think most in the market were talking about, that motorcycles seems to be seeing a lot more traction, at least compared to scooters. And that, of course, is Endurance Technologies. Remember, it also spoke about foraying into four-wheelers. They seem to be in talks as well with certain four-wheeler players. We'll do one thing.